Hello everyone, welcome to the third and final chapter of the three-part video series. In this video, we are going to learn how to interpret the results using SPSS. So first, you need to save the result page in a specific folder of your choice. Okay, so the first test we performed was the independent samples t-test to check the homogeneity at baseline for age. Here at the beginning you can see the group statistics which will be needed for making the table for baseline data and plotting graphs. Now if you want to know how to make such graphs and table, comment below. I will make a separate video for that. Now here note that the sigma two-tailed value from the first column, it is your p-value. Earlier we set the confidence interval at 95% for every test. So if the value is less than 0.05, then the difference is significant. But here you can see the value is 0.618, which is greater than 0.05. So the value is not significant, and that means both groups were homogeneous at baseline for age. The second test that we performed was the chi-square test to check the homogeneity at baseline for sex. You will first get the frequency distribution, that is male-female ratio, and the cross tabulation. Now in the Pearson chi-square row, check the value of asymptomatic significance two-sided column. It will be your p-value. So again, if the p-value is less than 0.05, then the difference is significant. Here, as the p-value is greater than 0.05, both groups were homogeneous at baseline for sex. The third test we performed was the independent samples t-test. Here, first in the group statistics, note these values of the outcome measures of different groups as their mean value and standard deviation. It will be needed for making the table and plotting graphs. In the test, similar to as I mentioned earlier, check the sig two-tailed value for each outcome measure from the first row. If the p-value is less than 0.05, then the difference is significant. You will mostly need the post-intervention data comparison, that is VAS post and OMAC post. Here you can see for VAS, the post-treatment data shows significant difference, whereas the OMAC, the post-treatment data shows no significant difference. That means the experimental group showed no significant difference in improving OMAC score, whereas it significantly improves the VAS score. Next, we perform the paired sample t-test to compare within the group. We again need to see the sig two-tailed value, which also signifies the p-value. Here also, if the p-value is less than 0.05, then the difference is significant. So first for group A, which we considered as the experimental group, showed significant difference in improving OMAC score as well as the VAS score. And now for group B also, which we considered as the control group, showed significant difference in improving OMAC score as well as VAS score. So in summary, we can say that both the groups were homogeneous in terms of sex and age. Both groups showed significant improvement in terms of VAS score and OMAC score. However, when compared between the groups, the experimental group showed significant improvement in terms of VAS score, but did not show any improvement in terms of OMAC score. Now you can see all the files in the saved folder. You can access these files whenever you want. Before concluding this video, I just want to mention that these are very basic statistical tests that are commonly done in the medical field. I have skipped a lot of technicalities behind this test. I am also a learner, but I made this video so that a lot of you can do these basic tests by yourself and you don't have to depend on anyone else. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.